In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Podia password. To get started, open Podia and go to your home page. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is where you'll find your personal account options and settings. After the menu opens, click on Account. That will take you to the section where you can manage important account details, including your login information. If you're following along on a desktop or laptop, this page should be easy to spot and navigate. On the account page, find the password section. When you hover over it, you should see an edit option. Click Edit to open the password change form. This is the area where you'll update your existing password to a new one. First, type in your current password. This step helps confirm that you're the account owner and adds an extra layer of security before any changes are made. Be sure to enter it carefully since even a small typo can prevent the update from going through. Next, type in your new password. Choose something secure that you'll still be able to remember. A strong password usually includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols, and it's best to avoid using something too simple or easy to guess. After that, type your new password again in the confirmation field. The second entry makes sure there are no typing errors and helps confirm that your new password is exactly what you intended. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Podia will then update your password with the new one you entered. After saving, it's a good idea to remember your new password or store it safely in a password manager so you can log in smoothly next time. And that's how to change your Podia password.